Welcome to my channel. Today in this short video I'm gonna show you how you can download all your content from your drone to your smartphone. So all you need to have is just a smartphone and the drone itself. So let's have a look now. It's really simple. Just turn on your drone, which is on now, and now we're gonna have to go on DJI Fly app. And from here, just wait for the drone. Well, I've got some update here. Well, not now. Alright. Okay. So, from here, all you have to do is just click album. Yeah. And as you see, this is like a very, well, electric symbol. And just click on this electric symbol. And I'm going to ask you to go to settings. So just click go settings and turn on your Bluetooth, and you're gonna have to connect to DJI Mini 3 Pro Bluetooth or any drone you have, and just click to connecting. As you can see, it's pairing and it's asking you a code. You just click pair and just wait a minute to see if it's connected. So it's still connecting. I'll probably go back on the app and wait here. So once again, just well, it's still showing no aircraft found, but it's still refreshing. So just wait a minute, and still have to wait a bit. All right. So there you go. It's showing connecting. All you have to do just have to wait. All right. So it says connection successful, which is good. And now it's connected. Well, and once it's connected, you'll be able to click on DJI Mini 3 Pro drone and all your content will be here, like photos, videos, or any favorites you have. So to download it, just click on the image and just click on this button here. All you have to do is just click on this button. Here you go, file downloaded to mobile device. It's pretty simple. It's not required anything, so all you need to have is just your smartphone and your drone. So just switch on your drone, go to settings, turn on your Bluetooth and run the DJI app and just connect your Mini 3 or any other drones you have. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. I really hope it's kind of helpful, and if you enjoyed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.